Just watching you.
What are you doing, Emerson? Yeah, you're shaving your face? Can you show me how it works? I need some help with mine.
Somebody's feet. Tell me that piece.
Here, show me how it works.
Okay. Guys. There.
You have to look in the mirror. Let me see what you're doing.
This is gonna be right on the king. It's gonna be right on the king.
Yeah, okay. And then how do you do it?
Faster.
Faster?
Yeah.
Faster than what?
Then you can read the book.
You can read the book? Do you want to shave first?
Yeah.
Let's see how it works. Oh, yeah, good.
Look at my feet.
Ooh, very smooth.
Yes, so smooth.
It's smooth.
It's right on the king.
It is Lightning McQueen.
Right on the king's feet. I'm right on the king.
You are Lightning McQueen.
My feet is right on the king.
Your face is Lightning McQueen?
Huh?
Cool.
And that's the hair right on the king.
You shaving your head now?
You want my hair right on the king?